and see?
Okay, I'll count. 15, 14, 13 Tower Court has been completely renovated into the perfect family home. I'm Sarah Anshin from Cutting Edge Property. Ready or not, here I come. This home has been freshly renovated from top to bottom. With fresh tiling, fresh paint, a fresh kitchen and bathroom, there's nothing left to do but move in and enjoy. The centrally located kitchen has also been renovated from top to bottom. It features miles of bench space, room for a family-sized fridge, and space in the pantry to hide the cookies from the kids. Now where is that cookie monster? Maybe she's in one of the bedrooms. All 4 bedrooms feature brand new carpets and split system air conditioning to keep your family cool through the hottest of summer nights. They're all large enough to fit a queen-size bed, and there's no shortage of hiding spaces here. There's also an office with built-in cabinetry, so keeping the kids out of your paperwork will be easy. The family bathroom features a large walk-in shower and a stylish floating vanity. Out here is the perfect space for entertaining. This covered patio overlooks the backyard, so keeping an eye on the kids is easy. But geez, where is she? Storing your tools and toys is easy with this large powered shed. There's plenty of room on the fully fenced 637 square metre block for kids to hide. From up here you can see the solar system on the roof that's sure to help keep those energy bills down. Local shopping is just a couple of minutes up the road at Riverway Plaza. Here you'll find everything from a Woolworths to a Subway.
There's even a McDonald's here.
Major shopping at Willow Shopping Centre is a 10 minutes drive away. Townsville's largest employers, James Cook University, Laverack Barracks, and the Townsville Hospital are 13 minutes away via the Ring Road. The Townsville CBD and beautiful beaches of the Strand are a 28 minutes drive away. With so many hiding spaces, I wonder where she could be. Found you! Renovated from top to bottom with 4 bedrooms and a shed, just like Bella, properties like this are hard to find, so you better be quick. I'll see you right here this weekend. Okay, my turn.
1, 2, 3,